Today we're going to learn about installment payments. Significant price cuts have recently taken place in the cost of high-definition televisions. Archibald decided that now was the time to take the plunge. After researching the features of different types of HD TVs, including LCD, plasma, rear projection, and picture tube, Archibald selected a 50-inch HD plasma TV at the cost of $4,000. The electronics store salesperson informs Archibald that the store is offering a 36-month installment plan to finance the TV. He is interested and discusses the details of the plan with the salesperson. A closed-end installment loan is what he is being offered. Archibald will repay the amount borrowed plus interest in equal payments, usually monthly, over a certain period of time. Such loans are commonly used to purchase furniture, appliances, and computers. The length of the loans can vary from a few months to several years. The store requires no down payment. The salesperson tells you that you can finance the HD Plasma TV with 36 monthly payments of $132.86. Determine the total amount paid. This total is called the installment price. So we would take $132.86 times 36 payments, and we would find that we end up paying $4,782.96 for the TV. Determine the finance charge or the interest on the installment loan. We paid $4,782.96, but the TV was only worth $4,000, so we ended up paying $782.96 in interest. Annual percentage rate, or APR. Archibald is wondering about the interest rate being charged on the TV loan. The results from problem 2 can be used to demonstrate a hidden cost when borrowing money on an installment plan. So Archibald is borrowing $4,000, so that's our PV, to purchase the HD Plasma TV using a 36-month installment plan. So that's N. Determine the annual percentage rate, so I is our question mark. Round your answer to the nearest whole percent. So PMT. They told us in the last problem that he is going to pay $132.86 every month. Now, when he sends that to the store each month, they're going to deduct that off of what he owes, and therefore the PMT number should be negative. Future value. At the end of the loan, Archibald should owe them $0 because the loan would be paid off. PY and CY, he's making 12 payments a year, and he's going to make them at the end of each payment period. So, too big. So, N is 36. I am just going to leave because we're going to come back and find that out. PV is 4,000. PMT is negative 132.86. Future value is 0. PY and CY are both 12. So then I'll go back up to I and press alpha enter, and that tells me that my APR is 12% interest. If you know the APR and the number of monthly payments, the TVM solver can be used to determine the monthly payment. Suppose the salesperson at a competing electronics store offers the same model 50-inch HD plasma TV, but at a lower price of $3,800. With no payment required, Archibald can borrow the $3,800 at 14% APR for 32 months. So N would be 32, I would be 14, PV is 3,800, PMT is what we're trying to find, so that's our question mark. FB would be 0 because we don't owe them anything at the end of the loan. And we're going to make monthly payments, so PY and CY are 12, and PMT is end. So 32, 14, 3,800, and then FV, PY, CY, and PMT are all good, so I'm going to push alpha enter on PMT, and I get that the monthly payment would be $142.98. So find the total cost. We're going to pay $142.98 32 times because it's a 32-month loan. So in the end, Archibald will end up paying $4,575.36. So what's the finance charge on this television? We paid $4,575.36. The original price of the TV, if we just paid up front, would have been $3,800. So in the end, we paid $775.36 in interest. So let's compare the two TVs. The first TV, the purchase price was $4,000. We had 0 down payment. We had to pay $132.86 per month for 36 months, which we calculated was $4,782.96 overall, which meant we paid $782.96 in interest. In plan number 2, the TV was a little bit cheaper. It's $3,800, so we get a $200 discount. Still no down payment, but we had to pay $142.98. So even though the TV's cheaper, our monthly payment is higher. We're going to pay it for 32 months, so the loan's a little bit shorter. And in the end, we paid $4,575.36, which meant we paid a total of $775.36 in interest. Plan 1 was 12% interest. Plan 2 was 14% interest. So even though the percentage was higher, the amount we actually paid in interest was lower, and the overall price was lower. So we should choose Plan 2 because we pay less in interest and less overall. And the main reason we end up paying less, it's partially because it was $200 cheaper, but it's also because we were making less payments. The faster you pay it off, the less you're going to pay in interest, and that's how you save money. Now, ideally, you would just have the $3,800, pay that up front, and then you don't have to spend the extra $775 for the payment plan. Now, what if you want to pay your TV off early? So Archibald purchased the TV at the Second Electronics store. We know the total finance charge for this is $775.36. Suppose he pays the first 20 payments and then decides to pay off the loan. Maybe he gets a bonus at work or something. He's got some extra money. He wants to pay off this bill. Would he have to pay the total finance charge of $775.36? The answer is no. He is entitled to a finance charge rebate. At the time of the loan payoff, the lender must return any unearned interest that is saved by paying off the loan early. The most common used method to determine unearned interest is the actuarial method, and the formula for that is right here. You don't need to memorize the formula, but you do need to know what each of these stand for, so you know how to plug them in. V, the value from the APR table. I'm not going to make you guys use the APR table. I will give you that value in the directions. So, if you pay the loan off after 20 payments, how many payments remain? So it was 32-month plan. We're making 20 of the payment. There would be 12 payments left. If the value V in the actuarial method formula is 7.74%, substitute the appropriate values for N, P, and V into the actuarial formula to determine the unearned interest. So it's NPV over 100 plus V. So N is the number of remaining payments. We said that was 12. P is the monthly payment amount. So we're paying $142.98 in this plan times the V value, so 7.74, over 100 plus 7.74. So if we type that in our calculator, Archibald saves $123.26 if he pays off the loan 12 payments early. So if he wants to pay it all off with the 12 that are left, he would have to make 12 payments of $142.98, but he gets back $123.26 in unearned interest, so he'd end up having to send to the store $1,592.50. And that's it.